Exploring the mysteries of the universe. The bullet cluster. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into an exciting topic in astronomy, the bullet cluster. This intriguing phenomenon provides a window into the workings of our universe, and understanding it can be a fantastic journey. So, let's embark on this cosmic adventure together. The bullet cluster, also known as 1E065756, is a pair of colliding clusters of galaxies located about 3.8 billion light-years away from Earth. It's famous for being one of the most compelling pieces of evidence for the existence of dark matter. This cluster looks like a cosmic bullet passing through another galaxy cluster, hence the name, bullet cluster. The significance of the bullet cluster lies in its role as a key piece of evidence in the study of dark matter and gravitational forces. When two galaxy clusters collide, as in the case of the bullet cluster, the hot gas, which is most of the normal matter, slows down, but the galaxies and dark matter do not. This separation is critical evidence that dark matter really exists, as it behaves differently from normal matter. In this section, we'll explore the science that makes the bullet cluster so fascinating. Astronomers use various methods, like the gravitational lensing effect, to study this phenomenon. Gravitational lensing occurs when a massive object, like a galaxy cluster, bends the light of objects behind it, acting like a lens. This effect has been crucial in mapping the presence of dark matter in the bullet cluster. The study of the bullet cluster has profound implications for our understanding of cosmology. It challenges and refines our theories about the universe's composition, the nature of dark matter, and the forces that govern cosmic structures. By studying this, scientists can gather clues about the evolution of galaxies and the dynamics of cosmic collisions. We hope this journey through the cosmos and the fascinating world of the bullet cluster has been enlightening. It's a perfect example of how much mystery and beauty there is in our universe, waiting to be discovered. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting topics in the future.